how to fix Google Maps glitch or not working easily and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Maps easily and fast on any Android phone. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the settings here on your phone and then go to the apps manager right here and then go to apps again here in the top and scroll down until you find Google Maps, and after you find it, all what you have to do is click on it like this and then click on storage and click on clear data like this and click delete and then click on clear cache, then go back and click on force stop, and then all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the data usage and make sure that the mobile data and the background data and the roaming data are on. Then go back like this, and now all what you have to do is reopen Google Maps and it's gonna be working for you well. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.